Boeing Japan has signed a major contract with Japan's Acquisition, Technology and Logistics Agency, or ATLA, to advance the development of unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, designed to work alongside manned aircraft. This deal marks a critical step in Japan's push to modernize its military through cutting-edge autonomous systems and AI technologies. The agreement, finalized on December 10, 2024, is worth approximately $1 million. Boeing Japan was chosen for this project due to its unique access to advanced simulation software and technical expertise. The research will focus on how UAVs, often referred to as loyal wingmen, can enhance combat operations by supporting manned aircraft in missions like surveillance, electronic warfare, and direct combat. This initiative builds on Japan's growing interest in UAV technology. Back in 2022, Japan's Ministry of Defense announced plans to develop combat support UAVs that can operate in collaboration with piloted jets. These efforts are also tied to the Global Combat Air Program, a partnership between Japan, the UK, and Italy, to create a next-generation fighter jet. But Japan isn't doing this alone. Collaborative research with the United States is also in full swing. In 2023, Japan and the US signed an agreement to explore artificial intelligence applications for UAVs, ensuring seamless integration with Japan's future military aircraft. While Boeing Japan takes the lead on this project, Japan is also investing heavily in homegrown innovation. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries is developing two types of collaborative UAVs, one focused on tactical combat and another on supporting manned aircraft. Both are being designed to integrate with the Global Combat Air Program, showcasing Japan's commitment to cutting-edge technology. And that's not all. ATLA is also funding the development of stealth UAVs for aerial refueling and unmanned surface vehicles for explosive handling and mine clearance. These projects reflect Japan's broader strategy to build a versatile and modern defense system. As Japan moves forward, Boeing Japan's research will play a key role in shaping the country's defense capabilities. The future of autonomous military systems is here, and Japan is making sure it's ready to meet the challenges of tomorrow's battlefield. Stay tuned as we continue to follow Japan's advancements in military technology and its collaborations with global partners.